Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's lighting up the financial world. Delta Airlines' impressive earnings report and how it's sparking a rally in airline stocks across the board. If you're interested in the travel industry, investing, or just want to stay informed, stick around because we're breaking it all down for you. Let's get started. Disclaimer. Before we begin, please note that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Always consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Setting the stage, Delta's earnings report. Delta Airlines recently released its fourth quarter earnings, and the results have been nothing short of extraordinary. In a time when investors were wondering if airline stocks could sustain their momentum, Delta delivered a resounding answer. Yes, they can. Here's what you need to know. Revenue and earnings. Delta reported a whopping $15.6 billion in revenue for the fourth quarter of 2024. This figure smashed analysts' estimates of $14.2 billion. On top of that, Delta's adjusted earnings came in at $1.85 per share, beating expectations of $1.76 per share. Demand highlights. The airline saw record-breaking travel demand, with 4 of the top 10 revenue days in its history occurring in just the last 2 months of 2024. This surge in demand is driven by a growing appetite for premium travel experiences and a rebound in corporate travel. The big picture for 2025. Delta isn't just celebrating its 2024 results. The airline's outlook for 2025 is incredibly optimistic. According to CEO Ed Bastian, Delta is poised for what could be the best financial year in its 100-year history. Here are some key projections. Revenue growth. Delta expects its first quarter revenue in 2025 to grow between 7% and 9% year over year, outpacing Wall Street's estimate of 5%. Earnings per share. The airline is forecasting earnings per share in the range of 70 cents to $1 for the first quarter, again exceeding analysts' expectations. Even though Delta's full-year earnings guidance of $7.35 per share is slightly below the $7.44 expected by analysts, investors remain focused on the strong start to the year and the company's overall growth trajectory. Why this matters for the airline industry. Delta's strong performance is having a ripple effect across the airline industry. Let's look at how other airlines are benefiting. Major carriers. American Airlines shares jumped 4%, while United Airlines rose 5% following Delta's announcement. This shows that positive news from one major player can uplift the entire sector. Low-cost carriers. Airlines like JetBlue Airways and Southwest Airlines also saw gains, though to a lesser extent. This reflects Delta's focus on premium travel, which is driving its success and may not directly impact budget carriers. Delta's report has essentially given all airline stocks permission to take off, signaling strong consumer demand and investor confidence. Broader market context. Let's zoom out for a moment. The airline sector has been on a steady upward trajectory thanks to several factors. 1. Record holiday travel. December 1st, 2024 became the busiest day in U.S. aviation history, with the TSA screening over 3 million passengers in a single day. 2. Favorable policies. The recent presidential election brought pro-business policies and potential tax cuts, which are expected to boost both corporate and leisure travel. 3. U.S. Global Jets ETF performance. This exchange-traded fund, which tracks airline stocks, has climbed 24% in the past 3 months. By comparison, the S&P 500 rose only 2.2% during the same period. What analysts are saying. Experts are taking note of Delta's diversified revenue streams and strong momentum heading into 2025. For example, TD Cowen analyst Tom Fitzgerald reiterated his buy rating on Delta stock with a price target of $78. This represents a potential 27% gain from current levels. Analysts also highlight that Delta's demand accelerated throughout the fourth quarter, driven by premium travel experiences and a rebound in corporate bookings. These factors set the stage for continued growth in the year ahead. Challenges to watch. Of course, no story is without its challenges. While Delta's outlook is overwhelmingly positive, there are a few points of caution. Earnings guidance. Some investors were slightly disappointed by Delta's full-year earnings guidance for 2025, which came in just below expectations. Cost pressures. Rising operational costs, such as fuel prices and labor expenses, could put pressure on margins. However, these concerns seem to be overshadowed by the strong demand and overall positive momentum. Closing thoughts. Delta Airlines has set a high bar with its latest earnings report and outlook for 2025. The company's ability to capitalize on premium travel demand, diversify its revenue streams, and navigate challenges makes it a standout in the airline industry. For investors, this is a clear signal that airline stocks are worth watching. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, Delta's story offers valuable insights into how market leaders can drive growth and inspire confidence across an entire sector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about Delta's performance and whether you're considering investing in airline stocks. See you in the next video.